Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to English 3 Meeting 9. Today we are going to talk about dependent clause and animation. Before we go there, before we start the lesson, let me remind you again that learning is dependent state. Each learning is dependent state. It means your learning is depend on your emotional condition. So make sure to turn on your curiosity, feel curious, feel happy, feel excited about the lesson. English is easy. You just need to practice it every day. Oke, selamat datang di modul 3. Hari ini kita akan membahas dependent clause dan mendiskusikan tentang animasi. It is English for specific purpose, and since you are studying computer, I do believe you feel excited about the topic. Baik, in this module we'll discuss structure, speaking, reading, and writing. The structure will discuss dependent clause, the speaking will discuss animation, also the reading and listening about animation. Okay, well, before we go to the discussion, let's go to take a brief look or exercise on structure or grammar. It is about dependent clause. Baik, dependent clause. It is called dependent clause because the clause is not a complete expression. It is a group of words consists of a subject and a verb. Remember, harus diingat bahwa the clause dalam bahasa Inggris terdiri dari subjek dan kata kerja. Subjek dan kata kerja. Jadi kalau dalam bahasa Inggris sudah ada subjeknya dan ada kata kerjanya, sudah disebut clause atau kalimat. Baik. Jadi dependent clause ini kalimat yang tidak mandiri, maksudnya dia membutuhkan kalimat lain untuk melengkapinya. The clause can be adjective clause, noun clause, and adverb of clause. Example of dependent clause that are adverb clause. Contohnya pada clause ini, pada slide ini. Students stop making noise. Student stop making noise. It is independent clause karena sudah kalimatnya sudah sempurna. Sementara when the lecturer arrive in the class, it is dependent clause yang fungsinya sebagai adverb clauses. Baik, selanjutnya contoh kedua, I study hard to my computer project because I like to get best score. I study hard to my computer project. It is the independent clause karena sudah sempurna kalimatnya, sudah bisa dipahami. Sementara dependent clause anak kalimatnya ini, because I like to get best score, itu kalimat yang belum sempurna sehingga membutuhkan kalimat penyempurna tadi di depannya, I study hard to my computer project. Baik, selanjutnya Bill examined inside the CPU as if he knew how to fix it. Bill examined inside the CPU. It is independent clause, while dependent clause anak kalimatnya as if he knew how to fix it. Baik, yang kedua, if you can finish your study this year, itu anak kalimatnya. Kemudian, you can apply a job in my office. You can apply a job in my office, itu kalimat independent. karena sudah sempurna maknanya. We did the database project in computer lab until the lab assistant asked us to leave. Oke, jadi dependent clause itu bisa ditempatkan di depan kalimat atau bisa di belakang kalimat, di belakang kalimat independent clause. Jadi sini bisa disimpulkan, kita lihat bahwa dependent clause itu diawali dengan konektor. Yang di kalimat pertama adalah konektornya when, because, as if, kemudian until. Baik, selanjutnya. For example, the example of dependent clause as adjective clause. That I told him an affordable laptop, it is true. That I told him an affordable laptop, that I told him, it is the dependent clause. An affordable, that I told him an affordable laptop, it is the adjective dependent clause as an adjective clause. Kemudian it is true itu kalimat independent. I went to computer fair, which is located in downtown area. Which is located in downtown area, it is dependent clause. Jadi bisa dilihat di sini dependent clause itu selalu diawali dengan konektor. Yang saya garis bawahi, kemudian di awal kalimat yang saya garis bawahi selalu ada diawali oleh konektor. Yang pertama itu ada that, yang kedua which, yang ketiga who, yang keempat whom, yang kelima whose. Kemudian ada dependent clause that are noun clause such as below. Dependent clause that are noun clause, contohnya di example, I don't know why my computer is frozen. I don't know, it is the independent clause. Kemudian why my computer is frozen, it is dependent clause. Jadi dia tidak bisa berdiri sendiri. Ingat ya, clause itu harus dikatakan clause kalau ada subjek dan ada kata kerjanya. Ada subjek dan ada kata kerjanya. Kemudian untuk membuat kalimat menggabungkan antara independent clause dan dependent clause harus ada konektornya. Jadi fungsi konektor itu untuk menggabungkan dua kalimat antara kalimat dependent dan independent. Kemudian kedua, contoh noun clause, whomever understand language programming will be a good programmer. And the next, how he finished study was inspiring. Kemudian, and the next, what she thought about the computer lesson was not that hard. Okay, that's the example of dependent clauses as adjective, as adverb, and also as noun clause. Baik, as usual, as I told you before, and just like the exercises in the each chapter before, that you only need to recognize those structure in each chapter. Di sini tugas kalian atau exercise latihannya adalah kalian underline, menggarisbawahi dependent clause di setiap kalimat. Number one, let me give you the example. Number one, where he goes for vacation, nobody knows. Where he goes for vacation, it is the dependent clause. Ingat ya, dependent clause itu harus selalu diawali oleh konektor. Konektor kalian bisa cek di modulnya apa saja yang menjadi kategori konektor. Baik, yang kedua, the second sentence, the leaves fly wherever the wind blows them. Wherever the wind blows them, it is the dependent clause. Yang ketiga, the example number 3, while he ordered food online, his friends came over with food bag of food in his hand. Okay. While he ordered food online, it is the dependent clause. So I think this exercise it is easy. I have given you example for three numbers. So please do. And if you have difficulty, don't be hesitate. Feel free to contact your lecturer or your teacher. Okay. Or you can always contact me. Okay, next. In the next exercise, as usual in this module, I told you again that we designed this module for ESP, English for Specific Purpose, especially for computer engineering students. In this exercise, you are requested to discuss about animation. I do believe all of you like the animation. I do believe all of you enjoy watching the animation on YouTube or on TV. And here, the example of a conversation between Mike and Mark. Remember, the answer from Mark, it is only the example. You can always give your own idea. Jadi jawaban Mark itu cuma contoh jawaban tentang bagaimana menjawab pertanyaan dari Mike. Kalian selalu boleh merubah jawaban tersebut based on your experience, based on your knowledge about the animation. Okay, so make sure before you ask or you change the answer by your own, you make sure you understand every single word. Pastikan kalian sebelum mengganti atau memberikan pendapat pribadi tentang pertanyaan dari Mike, kalian pastikan paham setiap kosakata dari kalimat tersebut. Baik, so I don't think and after making discussion with your friend or practice this conversation with your partner, you can always record your voice into your gadget. Why do you need to record it? To help you to be able to speak in a media, or you can analyze how good your pronunciation is and how fluent you are in expressing idea in English. Okay? Jadi kenapa harus direkam? Karena akan membantu kalian berbicara melalui media. Kalian akan menganalisa suara sendiri, mengecek sendiri apakah sudah benar atau apakah pronunciation-nya sudah bagus, atau apakah kalimat-kalimat yang saya berikan itu sudah bagus, gitu ya. Okay, so I don't need to give you the example. I just explain what you have to do. Next, in the next exercise, this is a discussion. If you are in class, it is easy for you to discuss in small group, 1, 2, 3 students. But if you are doing online learning, kalau kalian sedang melakukan pembelajaran online, itu kalian harus menjawab pertanyaan-pertanyaan tersebut yang terdapat di modul kalian dengan jawaban sesuai dengan pengalaman pribadi. When you learn English, you have to use based on your experience, so it starts your real life. Ketika belajar bahasa kan budaya. Jadi ketika kalian terbiasa mengungkapkan ide-ide pengalaman sendiri, it is easier to make it stay in your long-term memory. Kata Jim Quick, when information combined with emotion, it will stay in long-term memory. Use your own idea use your own experience in answering those questions. So it will become, it is real from you. Jadi dalam belajar bahasa memang harus menggunakan atau mengekspresikan apa yang kita pikirkan, apa yang kita rasakan, atau pengalaman kita, sehingga akan menjadi, bahasa itu akan menjadi natural dan tidak imajinatif, bukan imajinasi. Okay, this is there are 12 question on this list. Kemudian setelah menjawab pertanyaan ke-12 tersebut, and remember, there is no wrong answer in exercising. It is only about practicing your English. When there is wrong information, it is okay. You can fix it later. But the most important, you use your knowledge, your experience in expressing your English. Okay. Next. Sorry. Here, after the discussion, after writing your answer from the module, as usual, I want you to record your voice. You answer the question, you read the question, and record your answer on your gadget, so you can analyze your progress. You can review your progress, learning progress. For example, I give you here. Hello, my name is Darmawati, and today I'm going to talk about animation. Have you seen any of the cartoon movies? Yes, I have seen The Incredible 2, Finding Nemo, and Pinocchio. What is your favorite cartoon movie? I think my favorite cartoon movie is Finding Nemo. Why is the cartoon movie interesting? Because the story is nice, the soundtrack it is really good, the design graphics is really nice. It uses a 3-dimension 3D movie, so it's really incredible movie. Itu contohnya, dan kalian bisa melanjutkan sampai selesai. Thank you. Dan dikirim di grup. So, in learning language, these days you have to use your gadgets to help you to improve your English every day. Okay, the next it is listening. The listening file, it is listed in your website, or you can always contact the lecturer if you haven't got the listening file. Make sure you repeat, you listen, and understand what the native speakers say, what Sultan Isa Hampton say about the animation, and make sure you understand every single word. Analyze your learning pattern. Make sure when you learn every subject, your English it is improved. You upgrade yourself in English. Okay, so in module 3, English 3, file meeting 9. The structure atau the composition of the lesson still the same. You'll find the brief explanation about the structure, and then exercise about the structure, and then listening. Sorry, and then the next exercise is speaking and discussion. After the discussion, you'll find reading. Make sure the reading you have to understand every single word, and then also you can analyze the structure that we discussed in the first exercise, and then also make sure you develop your vocabulary by understanding every single word. Hopefully, you will understand more, wider, deeper about animation. And then the next exercise, listening, also will help you to understand English better by listening to the speaker, the native speaker, Sultan Isa Hampton. And then also writing include the writing. It helps you to express your idea about animation. Make sure you recall all your memory about animation. Pastikan kalian merecall atau mengumpulkan memori pengalaman yang berhubungan dengan animasi sehingga kalian bisa mengekspres atau mengungkapkan pengalaman kalian atau pengetahuan kalian dalam bahasa Inggris tentang animasi, baik dalam bentuk pengucapan maupun dalam tulisan. Sekian, thank you very much. That is all from my explanation or brief guidance through Unit 9, Module 3, English 3. I hope you understand. I hope you can follow the lesson happily, full excited, with excitement and curiosity. Thank you very much. See you in the next lesson. I do apologize for any shortcoming. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.